Stop what you're doing. Pay attention to your screen. Take a few seconds to look at this image. What do you see? Do you see the demons? Or maybe you see the angels? You might even see both. But which did you see first? If you want to learn how the devil is in the details and what it means for your brain, stick around. Compassion, the ability to understand and empathize with the pain of others, is all around us and is a hallmark of a truly evolved human being. But on the other hand, in today's me-first world, empathy for others can often seem like a pretty scarce commodity.
In many ways, it might seem like the people with the most success have the least compassion. So which path would you choose? If you have an extra buck, do you give it to someone in need, or do you keep it for yourself? The real answer is, it depends. Compassion can feel good, but not if it causes you hardship. So which is it? Is your brain hardwired to be selfish or selfless?
We can begin to answer that question by taking another look at the image we showed you earlier. Are you able to see both the angels and the demons now? Odds are you can only see one at a time because your brain has to make a choice. Over half of the people we showed this to saw the demons first, while a quarter of them struggled to see the angels at all. Now, if you struggle to see the angels, it doesn't mean you're more likely to listen to the devil on your shoulder. But studies have shown that certain images, like those associated with religion, can influence our brain to be more compassionate.
So don't feel bad if you didn't see the angels right away. It doesn't make you a rotten person. Whether you're an angel or a devil, we're about to show you another way to train your brain to be more compassionate.
To do that, we're going to need some help from this expert panel of babies. We're at Yale University with psychologist Dr. Karen Wynn, head of the Infant Cognition Center, to answer the age-old question, are we born naughty or nice? To find out, Dr. Wynn has created an experiment designed to see if babies can tell the difference between compassionate and selfish behavior, and if they have a preference.
The babies we'll be looking at today are between 8 and 12 months of age. They are young enough that they do not yet speak language, but they're old enough that they can express their own preferences when given a choice of different options.
Watch along with our pint-sized participants and see if their young minds are wired for compassion. They'll see a not-so-nice puppy, a helpful puppy, and a cat trying to open a box. Oh, that wasn't very nice. But the next time the cat tries opening the box, the other puppy helps out. Dr. Wynn runs this test with dozens of babies, and the results are pretty amazing. Which puppy do you think the babies will pick to play with? The helpful one or the not-so-nice one? Which one would you choose?
Who do you want? That one?
Sure enough, this baby picks the helpful one. So did this baby. This one too. And only a small percentage of babies chose the mean puppy.
Parents are always pleased with the result when their baby chooses the nice puppet.
Great.
We've been running variations of this study for a number of years now, and what we find is always the same. At all the ages we've tested, babies prefer the nice characters over the mean characters, even at the very youngest ages we've looked at.
So what's happening in the baby's brain? Researchers suspect that when they see the kind puppy, the chemical that stimulates compassion, oxytocin, is released by the hypothalamus, resulting in feelings of caring, bonding, and empathy.
We used to think